Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about how to stop obsessing over your specific person. I have been through this and I've learned so much from it, and I think it's actually very simple and it doesn't have to be complicated to stop obsessing over this person and you need to do all these kind of things or know all these kind of things, because it's very simple. Because when you focus on this person, obsessing over this person, you have in like a lack feeling when you're obsessing over someone because you think you don't have it yet. And when you feel you don't have it yet, you create this lack feeling, you create more of this lack feeling, and it's going to reflect on the outside. So when what you feel in the inside is going to reflect on the outside. What you vibrate, what frequency you're on is going to meet your frequency, and that is the law of vibration. That is the primary law of all laws of the universe. So the most important thing is what you vibrate, not what you do. It's not about pleasing them to get them. It's about being in your own energy field to feel the unconditional love you already have within, and also know that it might be a trauma bond you have, or like a trigger. There's something in them that is triggering your trauma. So you want to feel good enough to like chase them and make them give you the validation so you feel good enough. Because maybe you had a emotionally unavailable parent that didn't give you the validation, didn't give you the love that you needed, and then you are looking it in others. That could be an example of trauma. But no matter what, it's about healing your trauma so you can feel the love inside. But you don't need to fix yourself because you're already unconditional love. So it's just about meditating and letting these thoughts pass by like clouds, and then just feel the feelings, whatever it might be, and just observing them as feelings and not thinking in these feelings. Just seeing the feeling, feeling the feeling, and letting the thoughts around just pass by and don't give them any attention, because where attention goes, energy flows and result shows. So remember that is you have the control, you have the power to choose what thoughts you choose and to get the feeling and then the action upon it. So what I want you to do now to let more go of this obsession, so you can both get your specific person, if that is really for your highest good, and attract more of the things. Like this is about all areas of your life, because this trauma is not only affecting one area, it's affecting everything, because everything is energy and it's affecting how you are acting, not around just one person, but every single person, what is triggering in you. So what I want you to do now is sit or lay down and then hear me out to guide you through this guided meditation to feel more yourself. Because when we are obsessing over someone, we're tuning into their energy and we're kind of getting who we truly are, the unconditional love that we authentically are born with, born of. And when you're just allowing yourself to feel these feelings with observation, then they will automatically get through your body and let go, because they're not authentically a part of who you are. It's just a reaction of the past that you have suppressed, that we are so much taught to suppress our feelings through drinking or having like a boyfriend or girlfriend, and just having our happiness dependent on that for a short period of time, but then it's just gonna get worse. So sit down or lay down and close your eyes. Then just breathe with me in through the nose and out through the mouth. And again. Then put the hands over your heart and ask your heart, what am I feeling in my heart right now? Is it negative emotions, or is it love? Is it happiness, joy, frustrated, confusion? Just that whatever feeling comes up, come here and feel it. And if you don't feel anything specifically, just be with your heart. Just feel your hands on your heart physically. And breathe in and out. And if you feel like it, you can give yourself a hug like this, like just your hands around you. To like connect more with yourself and your body. When you breathe in, then breathe this unconditional love from God, the universe, your highest self, whatever you believe in. Breathe it in. And now when you breathe out, then breathe out this lack feeling. Just let it go, let it be, let it go. Love in. And all this lack feeling out. Obsession. It's okay to feel the obsession. It's okay to feel the lack. Just let it be there. It's okay. Just invite it in. Just continue to focus on your breathing while you're feeling whatever it is. Love in and obsession out. So now you can take your hands together and namaste in front of your heart. Say thank you for whatever emotions brought up today. Thank you for what they've taught you, that you are worthy and you are unconditional love, and all you need is already here. Thank you. And so it is. Thank you for listening to this meditation. I really do hope it helped you on your journey, and you can just listen to this meditation as much as you want. I really do think that this is very powerful to feel your emotion as they are and to let it go automatically. And you don't need to do so much to feel this love. You can just allow yourself to feel also these negative emotions that you may have suppressed. So like and peace, if you like this video and want more like this, and remember to subscribe with the bell so you get updated when I post a new video. And then I just send you a lot of unconditional love, and I'll see you next time.